Hello everyone, welcome to Switch Gratified. Now we are going to unbox and review Samsung the Frame 55 inches. Here comes the box itself. It's a big box. As opening the box, we see a basic information sheet which is stick on the thermocol, which has the information how to pull out the TV. At the right side, we have user manual and accessories like remote, wire and power cables. A QLED sticker. At the left side, we have a pair of stand. Here we pull out the TV from the box. My first initial thought after watching the TV, it's thicker than the OLED TV. If we talk about the specification, the frame has came with a 3 screen size variant, 50 inches, 55 inches and 65 inches with the 4K Ultra HD resolution. It comes with the variable refresh rate of 120Hz. It supports HDR10+, which means it can play HDR content. It has the sound output of 40 watt. It comes with the Tizen OS with a quantum processor. Storage capacity of 8GB and 2.5GB of RAM. It comes with the pre-installed OTT like Netflix, Hotstar, Prime Video, Z5 and Apple TV. Now let's unbox the One Connect, which I personally like very much because it helps to manage all my required cable like HDMI cable and power cable at the one place, so I don't need to worry about my managing the cable at all. If we look, it came with a glossy finish and shining very much. Here is some close-up shots of One Connect. It has power cable port and one service port of 3.5mm jack, one antenna in, one AV input and optical audio output and Ethernet port. It has two HDMI 2.0 port, one HDMI ARC port, one HDMI 2.1 port. If we talk about the remote, it is a white beauty with easy handling and less unwanted button with direct launching button of Netflix, Prime Video and Z5. Let's power on and get into it. Now here is the home screen and the application bar. Application like Netflix, Prime Video, Z5 and Apple TV, YouTube and gallery and web browser. And we have the app store where you can directly install a third-party app, but you can't install side-loaded apps. That is the drawback of Tizen OS. The frame has a beautiful display and the color and the brightness is superb. Yeah, it's because of the QLED. If we talk about more of about the QLED is more brighter and color accuracy than OLED. Let's not compare it right now. If we make the separate videos comparison between QLED and OLED. If we talk about the sound quality, here is the sample. The frame has the 45 watt speaker which is loud and clear, and I like the sound quality. The highlighting thing which I personally like that is has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, so gaming with the upcoming console like Xbox Series X and PS5 will be supported with this TV. I forget to mention it has two USB ports at the right side of the One Connect. The frame's most distinctive feature is art mode, which allow to display artwork, painting, landscape or your own personal photo instead of a black screen. So overall experience with the frame is good, but the thing which I don't like it's the thickness of the frame. But from my side, it's a big thumbs up. Thank you guys. Please support our channel and it's our first video. So please subscribe and we will make such content that makes you gratified. Once again, thank you and enjoy the video.